Newcastle truck accident lawyer for Pennsylvania victims. When a large truck collides with a smaller vehicle on Pennsylvania roads, the consequences can be life-altering. Families find themselves facing overwhelming medical bills, emotional trauma, and uncertainty about what steps to take. In Newcastle and throughout western Pennsylvania, these crashes are more than statistics, they change lives, and understanding what rights you have is critical to moving forward. Truck crashes often lead to serious injuries, and those injured deserve clarity on who may be responsible and how to pursue justice. The law offers protections, but navigating those protections requires time and focus when you are already dealing with so much. Pennsylvania law governs how truck accident claims are handled, and it shapes what compensation you may recover. Crashes involving injuries must be investigated by police, with an official report sent to PennDOT within 15 days. If police do not investigate, a written report must be submitted by the involved parties within 5 days. These reports become key evidence. A law firm experienced in trucking cases can help secure records like driver logbooks, maintenance files, and black box data. Federal regulations require interstate haulers to carry significant liability coverage, often $750,000 or more, sometimes even higher for hazardous materials. Your lawyer can pursue claims against drivers, trucking companies, and others whose negligence contributed to the crash. Pennsylvania's comparative negligence rule can affect recovery amounts, so an attorney working for you can fight against unfair blame. To answer the needs of those injured, it's important to know how responsibility is determined after a crash. Liability can extend beyond the driver to include the trucking company, a parts manufacturer, or others involved in loading and maintaining the vehicle. The process often begins with insurers offering quick, low settlements, but you have the right to seek a full evaluation of your losses. Many victims, guided by an attorney, recover compensation for medical expenses, lost income, and even the long-term costs of modifications to homes or personal care. Understanding how these claims work starts with the process itself. After emergency care and police involvement, preserving evidence is vital. A law firm working on your behalf may send preservation letters to ensure that electronic logging devices and surveillance footage are not lost. Evidence from black boxes, dash cams, and telematics often reveals driver fatigue, hours of service violations, or mechanical neglect. Once medical care stabilizes, a demand package is prepared, settlement talks begin, and if those talks fail, lawsuits are filed. Pennsylvania's statute of limitations allows 2 years to take legal action, so moving promptly is crucial. Discovery and mediation follow, and while many cases settle, thorough preparation can lead to better results or a trial if necessary. Common injuries from these accidents can include traumatic brain injuries, spinal injuries leading to paralysis, internal bleeding, broken bones, burns, and emotional trauma such as post-traumatic stress. Some victims face lifelong impairments, and compensation can cover future medical costs, lost earning capacity, and in some cases, punitive damages aimed at punishing reckless conduct. If you or someone you love has been affected by a truck accident in Newcastle or western Pennsylvania, there is no need to face the legal process alone. Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George P.C. has represented many families with compassion and determination. Reach out today by calling 724-658-8535 or visiting their office at 315 North Mercer Street, Newcastle, Pennsylvania, 16101, United States, to begin moving forward with the guidance you deserve.